Hubert Centers here at WCI. Let's take a look at two different symbols overlaid on top of each other so I can show you why it's very important that you need to be in the bond market or in the indexes right now. And I don't really care which one. I prefer the bond market right now because I think it's a better trade. What we are looking at is we are looking at a weekly chart. As you can see up here in the upper left-hand corner, it says weekly. We are looking at a weekly chart of the green symbol here is the Dow. And then the blue symbol, the blue line, is the bonds, okay? So notice, did you ever, well, let me ask you this. Did you ever play with magnets when you were a kid? And if you had, this was the North Pole, this is the South Pole, and then if you put a North Pole here and a South Pole here, they would attract each other and they'd come together. And you probably did this as a kid. You probably used a magnet, and this would be the North Pole, and this would be the North Pole, and it would repel each other. So this is what we're going to call this. It's just a magnet trade. Now these are markets that are tightly correlated, which just means if one goes up, the other one likes to go down. So you can see here when the magnets come together, they repel each other again. So they repel. And once you get them all bunched up like this here, they're bunched up, and then boom, they repel each other. Bunched up, boom, a repel. Bunched up, boom, a repel. Bunched up again, boom, a repel. Bunched up, boom, a repel. So that's the trade that we're looking at. Now, this is a weekly chart. You can also move it all the way down to, say, like a daily chart. Let me remove the ink. And you can see the exact type of pattern that you're looking at. It's just a little bit more exaggerated because we've got a little bit better looking move apart here. It's just more violent, as you can see, when it touches and then back and forth. So that's what you've got happening right now with the bonds and the index futures, the Dow, coming together. So look for, number one, the Dow to go this way, and then look for the bonds to go this way. Good luck. Hope it helps. I'll see you on the next video.